Hey beautiful! Today I am going to show you a beautiful look that I just created using a viral TikTok hacks that are currently used in this 2023. You will enjoy the process and actually love the outcome. You're going to learn so much about makeup techniques and actually enjoy the process while we actually do this makeup look together. You will find out more techniques that can work on your face and what doesn't work on your face, which is called coffee. So you'll see me sipping here and there. So don't mind me. አይናችን እንጀምራለን። በጣም ትንሽ concealer. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, that amount is enough. Concealer blend በማድረጊያ brush concealer blend እናደርገዋለን. Firstly, like blend your concealer as much as you can. Take your time with it, and it might look like messy at first, but trust the process. Always. Usually makeup looks like really bad before it ends. You just gotta believe in yourself and be the best makeup artist for yourself. This side is half done. What I like to do is like to take the heaviest color that I want as my like transition shade. Gonna dump like the heaviest color like this using fluffier brush like this one. Gonna blend it out. Blend it out, sister. Since you're going to cut the crease, we're not gonna be worried about this area here, so don't worry too much on that. Just focus on the outer corner of your eye and don't worry about the heaviness. It's gonna cool down in a minute. We're gonna use a lighter shade, focusing on the socket of our eye. Blend it outwardly again. So ይሄኛውን ቢጫ upper corner ወይንም cool down እንዲያደርግልን ይረዳናል። ፌድ አውት የሚያደርገው ሼድ ይሆናል ለአይናችን። ክሊር ስለምናደርገው ሜሲ የሆኑትን ኤሪያዎች ብዙም ወሬ አታድርጉ። ፊቴ ላይ ምንም አይነት ሌላ ፕሮዳክት አልተጠቀምኩት። ከለርፉል የሆነ አይሻዶ ስትሰሩ ሁሌም ከአይናችሁ ጀምሩ ይመከራል። We're gonna like take a small amount. If you have a hooded eyes or semi-hooded eyes, this technique is gonna actually help you. So all you have to do is put a little bit of concealer here. Hooded eyes ካላችሁ ወይንም semi-hooded eyes ካላችሁ ይሄ ቴክኒክ በጣም ነው የሚረዳችሁ። በጣም ትንሽ ኮንሲለር ትወስዱና የአይናችሁ ሴንተር ላይ ፖይንት ታደርጋላችሁ። You're gonna put like a little bit of concealer as a point and you gotta look up. As you can see like this, I'm just going to follow this line as my cut crease. We're gonna follow this line and actually cut our crease like that, just a little bit above that. I am going to put this color over here, give it a little bit of matteness on the cut crease we just created. Give a little bit of warmth over here. I'm not like worried too much on this area. Yeah, I'm happy with it. That is fine. Put this brown shade over here just to give it a little bit depth on the outer corner. We're gonna blend the line with inward motion, just like that. By using this turquoise dark eyeshadow, I'm just going to line it up like a little bit. The reason why I'm starting from the middle is because I just don't want like a heavy liner, and I'm going to draw like not a wing, but I just want to make my eyelash line. Since I have a semi-hooded eyes, it's actually is different from the normal like eye shape. So I saw this viral like foundation routine hack, which I didn't find it very like hack because I actually had that kind of makeup routine when I started TikTok on 2020. Believe it or not, I have the video that I uploaded in 2020. This video, I do not like to follow whatever thing that I saw on internet. The way that it's actually done, I don't think that's healthy for your skin. That's just my preference. I actually did it in a very slight way, and you don't have to like drop a whole bottle of foundation on your face just to have a flawless look. Okay, makeup is going to look like makeup anyways. And the way I did it was like a bit of foundation like this. I'm not gonna do that just because everybody's doing it. So I would advise you to do it this way. We're gonna put our foundation just like that. I used to put my foundation all over my face, and with the extra foundation that is left, use my hands to blend my foundation. And I think that's like actually a great technique. You know, I'm gonna use my concealer. Everybody has like a different face. Just because you saw somebody famous on the makeup industry using one technique and works for him or her doesn't mean that's going to work for you. In makeup, I actually believe in finding like the best things that can work for you and use it. You don't have to like follow every trend. Every face is different and every skin is actually different. So what I actually advise to find whatever thing that works for you and use it with the best of your abilities. And blend using a brush starting from your concealer. And whenever you blend your concealer, you can use a smaller brush. If you are starting out with makeup, use like a smaller brush. If you are pro, you know what to do. We are going to put our powder very slightly. We're not pressing anything. Yeah, it looks very crazy, but trust me, it's going to work. We're going to let it sit for like 30 seconds and remove it. We're gonna use a contour powder. You know, use light hands and you move it like that. We're gonna use the same orange we used for our eyes and remove the excess on the back of our hand and blend it on our cheekbones and our nose a bit, just to give it that warmth. Trust me, for us, for our melanin poppin' girls, orange is our best friend. Almost done. Put our highlights over our eyes, nose, and in our and we have this from Artistry. This boy, brothers and sisters, I love this. Ah, girl, you look amazing. You look amazing. I love the result, y'all. What do you guys think of the results? I truly like it. I love it. So thank you so much. Thank you guys. I hope you find something good in it. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Say something nice in the comment section so the algorithm can pick my video and make it available for other beautiful gorgeous sisters like you. Because this is my first video in a long ass time. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and actually like this. Help me grow my channel. Since I'm just starting out, hope that you do me a favor, okay? Actually helps me grow and pursue one of my passions, which is empowering and beautifying women. The final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do enjoy the process and actually like the final look.